feel motivated today? You watch one English video, you feel excited, but tomorrow you do not speak English at all. Why does motivation fail you every single day? Today, you will finally understand why and how to speak English even when motivation is gone.
Hello, and welcome back. This is a safe place to practice English. No pressure, no judgment.
If you understand English but cannot speak easily, this is for you. You are not lazy. You are not stupid. You are not alone.
Today, we talk about one big problem: why motivation fails to help you speak English every day, and what works better than motivation.
Let me ask you something. Do you feel motivated at night? You say, "Tomorrow I will practice English."
Then tomorrow comes, you feel tired, busy, or scared.
And your English disappears again. If this is you, say yes out loud.
Here is the truth. Motivation is an emotion. Emotions change.
Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel weak.
So if English depends on motivation, progress is unstable.
Motivation is not bad, but it is weak. It works for 1 hour, then it dies.
Speaking English needs something stronger.
Habits.
Small, simple, daily habits.
Quick question. Do you brush your teeth every day?
Do you feel motivated to do it?
No, you just do it.
English must become the same.
Your brain wants safety. Speaking English feels risky.
You might make mistakes. People might judge you.
So your brain says, avoid this.
That is why you watch videos, but you don't speak.
Now let's speak together. Repeat after me. I am learning. Mistakes are okay.
Again, I am learning. Mistakes are okay.
Good. You just spoke English.
Motivation asks a big question. Do I feel like it?
Habits ask a small question. What is the next tiny step?
Big goals scare the brain.
Small actions calm it.
Mini quiz. Which is better?
A. I will speak perfect English. B. I will speak for 2 minutes today.
Say A or B.
Correct. B.
So, how do we speak daily without motivation?
Remove choice.
Do not ask how you feel.
Same time, same place, every day.
2 minutes only.
Let's do a role play. Bad way first. I don't feel motivated today. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow never comes.
Good way.
It's 9 p.m. I speak for 2 minutes.
And that builds fluency.
Now, pause and speak. Say one sentence about your day.
For example, today I practiced English.
Go ahead.
Many learners say, I will speak when I feel confident.
That is a trap.
Confidence comes after action.
Mini quiz. True or false? I must speak perfectly.
False.
Perfect is not required. Practice is.
A student once said, I have no motivation.
She spoke English while making tea, 1 minute a day.
1 month later, she spoke 10 minutes.
Not motivation, habit.
Here is a simple system.
Choose one daily moment.
Speak 1 to 2 minutes.
Same topic for 1 week.
Now let's practice.
Answer out loud.
What did you do today?
Good job.
If you are still here, respect yourself.
Last mini quiz. What matters more?
A. Motivation. B. Habit.
Correct. Habit.
Motivation day.
I speak English.
No motivation day.
I speak anyway.
That is fluency.
Let's recap.
Motivation changes.
Habits stay.
Small daily speaking wins.
Confidence comes after speaking.
You don't need more motivation.
You need a small daily promise.
2 minutes every day.
Like the video if this helped.
Subscribe for daily speaking practice.
Comment below. When will you speak English today?
Next video, we show you how to think less and speak faster.
See you next time.